Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years, and this is a Nilfisk Adfinity 20D 20-inch auto scrubber. Now in this short video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your machine to keep it running at peak performance to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service technician. Okay, right here is your solution filter. Now a lot of the times these guys get clogged and you just need to clean them out. Or the bowl is cracked and it's leaking and you need to replace it, or you just need to replace the entire solution filter assembly. I'm going to show you how to do all three. Now to clean your filter, if it's clogged, all you got to do is unscrew the bowl, take your screen out of the bowl, and rinse this off, because a lot of the times there gets clogged up in here and then you don't have very good water flow. Put that back in here. Now, if you need to replace just the bowl because it's damaged or cracked, at this point in time, that's when you would just replace the bowl. Take the screen out, get your new bowl. If it doesn't come with the screen, put the screen back in and put it back on. Now, if you need to replace the whole thing, you may have a zip tie holding your filter assembly to the machine, so you're going to have to cut that zip tie. And then you have two hose clamps on each side of the assembly. You need to loosen those up. Okay, now that we have the hose clamps loosened, we can remove the filter assembly from the hoses. So to make this a little simpler, which you can do, is either just pull them off of the hoses, or you can pull your valve down out of the plunger like so. Just gives you a bit more leverage. Pull the hose off, or off that side. Pull the hose off that side and replace the whole assembly. Now to install it, your new assembly, just reverse the steps. Put it back on this side. Now what I like to do is since I've already got it out like this, is I can tighten down the hose clamp one by one. Now we can put the other side on. Go ahead and tighten that hose clamp on there as well. Now put your valve side back into the plunger, and then all you got to do is screw on your filter bowl. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. Now for all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.